Hey YouTube family and TikTok family, it's your girl TyGrr here. I was cleaning some dishes and then I decided like, hey, let's cook. So right now, let me show you what I got going on. Yeah, I am cooking my rice right now with some sazon and some cilantro. And I'm gonna let this boil on high for 5 minutes. Then I'm gonna cover it up and let the steam cook it the rest of the way. So at about, it's 4:07 now. 10, 11, 12. So about 4:12, I'm going to cut it off and I'm going to cover it up and let the steam cook it the rest of the way. And again, I have the other pack of the smoked Polish sausage. So I'm just cutting these up in halves and then I'm cutting it up in the second half like that. Yeah, last one. And then I'm going to cut me up some white onions to fry with these sausages. And love me some white onions. I'm just cutting them like this because I love me some white onions. I love them with everything, with my rice, with my meat, everything. Oh, hold on, I'll check on the rice. Yeah, this is going to be a simple dinner. Some smoked Polish sausages, some rice, and if I can find my beans, then yeah, because you know I'm Boricua, I like me beans. Okay, so yeah, baby, they ready to fry. Woohoo! Let's find the beans. So yeah, you got to use what you got to get what you want. So I got some whole pinto beans that I'm gonna season with some garlic and onion powder and cilantro and sazon. And I'm gonna put these on top of my rice. And the rice, I only have a couple of pots, so the rice is steaming right now. So the rice is steaming right now to get to where it needs to be right there. So we can let that finish steaming up. You dig? And then we're gonna start on the beans and the sausage. Yes, sausages are. The smoked Polish sausage is cooking and they smell so good with these onions. Okay, so for the beans, we're going to add a little seasoning, salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and sazon. And we're done, and everything is ready. I'm about to smash.